Hello everyone and welcome to a brief update of your Saturday night's weather conditions. But first up, a look back at what's happened so far today. And after a foggy morning, things cleared up along the west coast, but now in the late afternoon, cloud cover is starting to push in once again and we'll see fog returning to the area overnight. We've also had a little bit of low-level cloud or fog move in along parts of the Garden Route coast. Moist and unstable air has moved into central South Africa, and for this reason, thunder showers have developed in some places, while along the east coast and the adjacent interior, it's been a sunny, warm and dry afternoon. Now for tonight, we're still expecting a possibility for a few showers and thunder showers over some parts of the central interior, but the later it gets, the lesser the probability of rainfall over those areas, as we're expecting those showers to gradually dissipate. Should be dry for the rest of the country, while along the west coast, as I've already mentioned, fog is expected to return across the area overnight. Heading into Sunday, and it's going to be a mainly warm and dry day for most of South Africa. Up in the north, it will be partly cloudy, a possibility for thunder showers over Limpopo and extending down the escarpment areas of Mpumalanga. It will be a mainly clear day for the coastal provinces of the country, and we're expecting some warm weather across the region as well. For tonight, there is still that possibility for isolated showers, perhaps even some thunder over some parts of the Northern Cape, extending down to the Karoo areas of the Western Cape, and a very, very low probability for showers extending into Gauteng, perhaps even in Mpumalanga and the extreme south of Limpopo. Now, with that very low probability in mind, we're basically keeping Johannesburg dry for tonight, partly cloudy conditions with a minimum temperature of 13 degrees, and your Sunday is expected to be partly cloudy and dry, somewhat warmer with a maximum of 25, and light and variable winds are expected. Taking a look at the Windstream animation now, and here we can see that light winds are in the forecast for almost all of South Africa for the next 24-hour period. Although along the coastline of KwaZulu-Natal, we're still expecting a moderate northeasterly wind, although wind speeds will only reach about 25 kilometers per hour. Now for minimum temperatures across the rest of the country, and it will be warm for Springbok in the west as well as for Durban on the opposite side of the country, cool through the central parts, even cold for some areas near the mountains, and we're expecting it to be a mild night for Cape Town and George, both dropping down to 14. Tomorrow afternoon, on the other hand, will be warm across almost all of South Africa, mid to upper 20s for most places, even reaching the low 30s for some parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Upington and Vredendal, on the other hand, reaches a high of 36, a very hot day in that area. On Monday, Cape Town reaches 24. It will be partly cloudy and dry. No rain for Gauteng, where Pretoria reaches a high of 27. And on Tuesday, we'll see wet weather returning to the southern and east coasts of the country and a small chance for a few thunder showers in the Northern Cape.